Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and I'm going to be going over the producer, consumer, decomposer sort cards with you today. So we're going to start with our Science 6 Schoology page. We're going to scroll down to where we're at. We are currently in Module C. Okay, and then we'll go to Unit 1, Lesson 1. And here is the producer, consumer sort cards. So we'll open that up. I need to put a due date on that. But once you open that up, it's going to look like this. Producer, consumer, and decomposer sort cards. If you haven't done your notes, you're going to want to do them first so that you know what these three things are. You'll have a definition for these three things after your notes. And remember, there's a video for your notes. Let's go back and I'll show you. If we go back here, if we go into notes, here is the video that goes through your notes. Okay, so let's go back to our sort cards, which look like this. The directions say, use the cards below to sort each animal into one of the three columns. So if I scroll down, on page 2, I have three columns: producer, consumer, decomposer. You must type the animal's name in the correct column. Make sure you click the turn in button when you finish. That's not something that you need to do, and I'll go ahead and change that. But you are getting a paper copy of this so that as you write these down, if you want to turn this in on paper, if you write down, say you write down that grass is a producer, you'll cross off grass and then you'll know what you have left to do. So it might be a little easier to do it on paper. You are welcome to do it in Schoology, and just make sure you submit it is all. So basically you're going to go through all of these different things and you're going to say, is grass a producer, consumer, or decomposer, and put it in the right spot. If you have any questions, please let me know.